Hello students, I am Dr. Swapnil Yadav. Today we are going to discuss very interesting topic, green media. We can say the role of media in promoting green environment. As we know, the role of media is very important in shaping public awareness about global climate change and associated actions. When we discuss about role of media, we focus on three key issues: to inform, to educate, and to entertain. Traditionally, there have been the tools like radio, television, and newspapers which have been playing an important role for spreading awareness among the people for climate change and environment protection at the faster rate than the personal context. Further, they have been enriched by the production and distribution of printed materials such as books, magazines, and brochures, which has helped in transfer of new and current awareness, whereas radio and television are important tool for quick information. There are different types of media. There are traditional methods and digital methods, like print media, which include newspapers, magazines, advertisements; broadcast media, which include television and radio; social media, also known as the digital media, which include social media and internet. First, we will discuss about the print media in the form of newspapers. Print media, which is still dominant and most influential compared to electronic media, can play a big role in environmental protection. Environmental reporting can contribute a lot for awareness. The concept of environmental protection is a reality pertaining to livelihood. A few print and broadcast media had offered columns and features programs on the environment, but the overall coverage is quite primitive and limited. Environmental reporting is a focused subject now. A media person can give general knowledge about waste concerning the environment. Environmental reporting is a focused subject now. A media person can give general knowledge about waste disposal or anniversary activities concerning the environment. China Environment News. China's news first paper on the environment was published in 1983, and the first publishing house on environmental science was set up in 1980s. Roughly, it can be said that India's most important newspaper like the Times of India, the Hindu, Hindustan Times, and the Indian Express have an article on environmental issue at least every second day, with Times of India doing the best job in terms of frequency. There are many environmental journalists who have chosen their subject out of true commitment. Means, in the media field, we can choose a topic related to the environment, and we can devote our whole life to focus on news related to the environment. Dainik Bhaskar campaign. Dainik Bhaskar is a leading newspaper of India, started Jal Bachao Abhiyan among its readers in different states, and it had a great impact on readers. Jal Satyagraha Initiative, Save Water Initiative are some other examples. We can also focus on magazines. There are many magazines in India, like Down to Earth, and at world level, there are many magazines which are circulated worldwide, like Planet Earth, Eco, and Times, which printed their issues, special issues on problem related to environment. The initiative received Award of Honor from Pawan Kumar Bansal, Union Cabinet Minister of Parliamentary Affairs and Water Resource. To promote the cause of group, undertook various activities and organized a conference with experts from UNICEF, UNESCO, and International Commission for Irrigation and Drainage. in the previous years. The initiative reaches out to individuals via ads, full-page editorial content on Voice to Save Water. In the next stage of Jal Satyagraha campaign, a detailed coverage was carried out in the all editions under a central plan. So these are many important issues which we can focus in magazine, and we can choose a career in media through our knowledge about environment. Radio is the cheapest media and most easily accessible mode of information and entertainment throughout the country from many years ago. It is observed that it has been noted that Delhi FM was broadcasting 2 weekly programs on environment like Kinare Kinare and Aao Dilli Saware on being motivated by the Ministry of Environment and Forest in previous years. At the national level, the news on environmental aspects are very scarce, and if they are broadcast, they are most often at the regional level. We are aware about, and most of us change the channels like it: National Geographic Channel, Animal Planet, and so many channels. Mass media, especially TV for promotion, government is now increasing interest in allocating prime TV slots to environmental programs on TV regarding environmental issues. Most environmental documentaries shown on TV today attract few viewers because of the academic or of course manner in which they are presented. Television has become a new status symbol even in remote villages. A further advantage of television as an educational media is that it is helpful in teaching practical work. A televised presentation can be clear as a face-to-face demonstration. Many campaign-wide television channels were adopted in previous years, like Go Green campaign of Toyota started in April 2008 on NDTV, and by Zee Media, a program known as the My Earth, My Duty was launched some years ago. By these programs, you can be aware with every product, and many advertisements in these days are focusing on green practices and so on. These are apps which we install, and we are well known about these apps in our Android mobile. Nowadays, everyone has a multimedia set. The internet huge reaches and accessibility make it one of the best resources for people all over the world to find information about climate change, environmentalism, and how to be green. Internet is nowadays used more frequently to encourage environmental awareness, as it provides opportunity to the people to respond and participate immediately. These days, mostly youth of our India is more addicted to these social activities and social platforms. There is a growing population of youngers that are using this platform. With Facebook or Twitter, youth today are very connected with each other and other global and local issues through the internet. Although not limited to youths only, social media platforms are also utilized by industry and government agencies as a preferred tool of communication with the general public. WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Google+, Pinterest, YouTube, Instagram are most popular social media platform. You can use it and can aware everyone through these media tools and encourage youth. Seminars and conferences play a vital role to environmental awareness amongst professionals. Many professionals and research scholars write articles and research papers on the topic of environmental awareness and present in seminar and conferences. They focus their PhD thesis on the topic related to the environment. The government has also taken a series of steps to address issues related to water pollution, air and vehicular pollution, industrial pollution, improper waste disposal, etc. in cities, towns and metropolitan cities. So overall, we can say the media is the fourth pillar of democracy, and that can play a big role in environmental awareness program and to encourage the youth to participate in these programs which can make the earth green and use sustainable energy resources. So as a media person, we can devote our whole career as an environmentalist through these channels, newspapers, magazines, media platforms.